County in north central Texas, central Navarro County in north central Texas, until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Barry, or 7 miles southwest of Corsicana, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Corsicana, Ennis, Ferris, Palmer, Bardwell, Alma, Barry, Bryce, Garrett, Retreat, Oak Valley and M House. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 235 and 266. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north central Texas.